Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use OBS virtual camera on LDPlayer. First, right click on this PC and open Manage. Then go to the device manager and find your real webcam. Once you find it, disable it. Now, I will open LDPlayer. I have already installed the camera app to check if it's working. When I open the camera and turn it on, you can see that the OBS virtual camera is not showing, even though it's already installed. So now, close LDPlayer and open your browser. Search for DroidCam Virtual Output on Google and open the GitHub page. Click on Go to Download, then under Assets, download both drivers and the plugin. Install both files. After installing, close your browser and open LDPlayer again. Open the camera app and turn on the camera. Then open OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, go to Tools and activate DroidCam output. As you can see, it's working now. You can rotate and resize your video or image to match LDPlayer. I hope this video helps you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.